The Chevy Traverse key fobs from 2018 to 2021 use a CR2032 battery. The most common issues are dead batteries or cracked casings. To open the fob, locate the seam, usually on the side or back. Use a thin, non-metal tool to gently pry it open to avoid scratches. If the case is difficult to open, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer to soften any adhesive. Isopropyl alcohol can also be used to loosen the adhesive. Avoid excessive force, as the plastic is brittle and prone to cracking, potentially leading to a costly replacement. Many users end up cracking the case, so be extremely careful. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure proper battery orientation. Clean any corrosion from the contacts. Snap the case back together. If the remote still doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and clean the contacts again. While some experts suggest reprogramming after a battery change, it's usually unnecessary. The cost for a CR2032 battery is around $2 to $5. If the case is damaged, third-party fobs are a cheaper alternative to dealer replacements, costing $20 to $50 instead of $200.